Welcome to Mad1 project tracking management application. This is our homepage and this is our admin dashboard where every core features has been implemented according to our problem statement like track management and staff management. And we can view our booking statistics from here. And this page is dynamically generated. You doesn't need to generate it manually. Moving forward to staff dashboard, here all the assigned tracks are visible and you can manage it from here like opening track and closing track, like increasing slots and or whatever mentioned in the problem statement. I can't show every features right here. And moving forward to the user dashboard, this is user dashboard and states are visible here also. And we can search the ongoing tracks with any parameters like let's try it with difficulty as hard and let's search and you will get all the tracks which are difficult and you can go further to book it from here. But question arises, how can you build something like this, or I should say even better than this? Answer is quite simple, by joining our bootcamp. And question is, why should we join it? Why should you join us? I mean, you can also implement code blocks by yourself. Our lectures will create a difference in your learning. So in this video, we will cover why to join us, how our lectures will create difference in your learning, and what materials will be provided, and how to join, and what will be the fees, and प्रोजेक्ट कंप्लीट होने के बाद फीस रिफंड कैसी होगी होगी ये भी बताऊंगा एंड हाउ टू चेक सक्सेसफुल रजिस्ट्रेशन अपॉन ज्वाइनिंग. So we start with first question, why to join? So if you start implementing code by yourself, it will take a lot of time, which will surely affect your theory courses and surely your grades will go down because multiple errors will be there. While decoding them will take your lot of time. जैसे कि मैंने अपने टाइम पे यही किया था कि मैंने खुद से कोडिंग करना स्टार्ट कर दिया था जिसकी वजह से इतने एरर्स आए कि मुझे लास्ट में मेरा एंटर बढ़िया नहीं गया और बाद में मुझे एक सीनियर से हेल्प लेनी पड़ी थी. सो मेरा रिकमेंडेशन यही रहेगा कि आप लोग इस वीडियो को कंसिडर करें. एंड हियर आई विल बी सॉल्विंग योर डाउट्स एंड एरर्स एट एनी टाइम बाय चैट सपोर्ट और कॉल सपोर्ट. Joining this will make sure you get A grade or S grade. If Viva goes as expected, then you will get S grade, and even if Viva doesn't goes as expected, you will surely get A grade. And let's discuss what will be provided. You doesn't need to know anything earlier. We will be attending live lectures and recording will be provided after every class gets over. You can ask your doubt in live class or in chat support or through call support. We will discuss the process later in this video and everything will be covered like how to make project, how to make project report video and how to submit and everything. And you will also be getting alternate code blocks or whatever we write in the code. And the medium of communication will be Hindi. And let's discuss how to join and what will be the fees. Yes, we were waiting for this. Keeping it budget friendly, fees will only be 500 and some part of this will also be refunded after completing the task provided in the lectures. So let's start how to join the program. First, copy the payment ID from the description and open any payment app and click here and paste the payment ID here and you can also see my image and enter the amount and pay. Payment is done and you have to attach your email along with this payment. And you guys should make sure that your email is correct because it will be the only method to access the provided materials. So you should make sure that your email is perfectly correct. And by this, you have joined to our program. And let's discuss chat support. So click on the Telegram link provided in the description box, and you will be redirected to the Telegram chat. And click on the start vote, and you can type here like hi, and I will be responding like hello. ask your doubt. Yes, by in this way you can ask your doubt, and this is not a Telegram group. This is a direct DM to me. You can ask your doubt by sending a screenshot and a screen record. Now let's discuss how can you know that you have registered successfully. So upon successful registration, after a few hours, you will get calendar invites like this, an email like this, and ignore this time because this is in UTC, and this will be the timing, or it will be discussed in first class, and you will receive an email like this, and you can also check the calendar invites here like this. You can also check calendar invites like this, and this will make sure that you have registered successfully. And bootcamp 1 जुलाई से लेकर के 14 जुलाई तक चलेगा, बट इतना टाइम लगेगा नहीं, 9-10 तक कंप्लीट हो जाएगा। तो चाहे आपको 14 अगस्त को सबमिट करना हो, चाहे 9 अगस्त को सबमिट करना हो, आप कर सकते हो, एंड आप लोग कभी भी डाउट पूछ सकते हो until and turn. And that's all for today. I hope you guys will consider this video and looking forward for your registration, guys, and thank you.